Good morning, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. So today is basically the second day that I do have my car, and today we have a few agenda to do. It is currently 6:30 in the morning. It is pretty early still, but I woke up so early because we are going to drive my sister up to the city so that I could also practice, you know. And also we're gonna get a few stuff for mom's store, so we are gonna be heading to a bigger grocery store where we can get those really like bulk stuff. So the car is right here. I parked it right beside the house, and this is how it looks right now. It is very foggy. Can you guys see it? See, it didn't rain, by the way, but that's how it looks. So my sister is trying to wipe the water. Oh, look at there, it's so foggy. It's a beautiful morning today, guys. We're gonna be heading to the city this early. Okay, so I am here inside right now. Hello. Thank you.
Wow.
Wow. Right, guys, we are heading to the city. I was able to do the going up. Scarlett is here. Hi. Morning.
Morning.
How are you? Are you okay?
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
Where's Nana? Oh, Nana. Uy.
Tubangan siya, oy.
Tubangan lagi.
Galing.
Front kami.
Magaling siya man.
Hindi na lagi Nana lagi. So, it's mommy's first time to ride with me as a passenger. Seatbelt me. Safety first. Seatbelt. What time is it now? Nasa nang? Seatbelt ba?
Plus size. Hay man seatbelt. Ano lang? Wala ay nam kasut dito.
Nana!
Suman.
Kani ana lang.
Oh.
Okay. And then we will lock the door and let's go. Hey, we finally made it 40 minutes later. So I was driving from the countryside. We dropped off my sister in her working place, and that took me 40 minutes. Like the legit or like the normal drivers will probably gonna be able to drive there for about 20-30 minutes, but you know, I'm a new driver, and yeah, I was just really taking my time. There was a lot of traffic as well because there are a lot of bikers. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared of them, to be honest, that I'm gonna hit them. But anyway, today is actually the day that I have shared to you guys about my car reveal, and I was reading you guys' comments, and I am genuinely happy for all you guys' positive comments towards me, that I deserve it. Congratulations. Thank you guys all so much for your positive comments. I truly appreciate it. Right now we are here in La Nueva, so this is the current situation right now. So that really big building over there, as you guys can see, it says La Nueva Supermarket. This is where you can purchase like really affordable bulky goods for a sari-sari store or a convenience store. So this is the current situation. We are near SRP, so over there it's gonna be SRP, and these people, like this guy over there that is in a uniform, he was the one that was trying to help me try to park here right where I am right now. So thank you so much, Kuya. There is a parking fee. I'm not quite sure how much, but my mom told me it's 20 pesos, I think. So as you guys can see, it is really busy right now. That today's like Saturday, but look, the parking area is definitely full. Oh my gosh. So my mom just went to Carbon. Unfortunately, I cannot park in there because they're not gonna allow you to get inside Carbon public market. It is our wet market, and that's where you can also get like the cheapest stuff. She's gonna get like some onions, like garlic, like this, like fresh produce. She's gonna get it there because it's not available here in the supermarket. Anyway, if we are gonna get it here, then it's gonna be costly. So I'm just really gonna wait for my mom, and then we are gonna get inside because she needs to put all her stuff in the trunk. And so yeah, I'm quite happy guys that I was able to finally go in the city from the countryside for the very first time. And yeah, this is my first time to drive from the countryside going to the city, and it was okay. I made it. We just finished trying to get some stuff for my mom's store. Unfortunately, I was not able to vlog there because it's not allowed. My mom is there, and we have a problem with the car. It doesn't turn on, so we are trying to call a mechanic. It actually doesn't turn on no matter how hard I tried to do it. But I think Kuya was like trying to open this thing over here, and he said everything is so brand new and it's gonna be crazy if the battery is like bad already, you know. So he is trying to get his tools. He said maybe the battery is a bit like loose or something. Oh my god, I literally don't have any idea guys, what is this about, like over here. She's sweaty AF. So we'll see. Oh my gosh, it's even so hot. We are about to go home already, but the car doesn't turn on. What a nightmare. So we need to get a taxi over here, and then Kuya, we're just gonna, hello. We're just gonna try to use his battery so that this one will be able to have some battery. The battery is actually still new, but Kuya said it is low voltage.
Ay, patong lang, pinal na to. Tol sa ikon, idikit lang, hindi na matanggalin dito. Huwag yung glamba, hindi mo karga yung aircon.
Oh my god, it's so hot. Okay, so we got Kuya's battery from the taxi. It's there. He's got a really big battery. Mine is very small. And then Kuya got some carton. I think he's gonna use it to place the battery on top of mine so that we can start the car. Like the car is literally low bat. That's why we need some help. Like this.
Sa mo on dito. Ay, bukan karton dito. Hindi na kayo. Ay, kaptan lang. Pwede na kaptan.
Kuya is trying to turn it on. And then they're using some tools. I don't know what's going on in here. They're using some tools to jump it up, I think.
Sit, ha? Na. Sit.
Oh my god, there you go. Ah! Salamat! Ah!
Sabi pa yung mami.
Oh, naka-off na siya. Yeah. It's really low bat, that's why. Okay, so we have to wait for a few minutes, Kuya said. So right now, we are gonna be heading home. That was such an unfortunate first day of driving, to be honest. Wait, we are approaching a rotunda right now. I'm gonna be careful. Alright. So yeah, what happened was the car was low bat. That's why we needed some help from the taxi. So I paid the mechanic guy 200 peso, which is $4 US, and then I paid the taxi from lending his battery for 150 pesos, so that's $3 US. And then I paid parking for 120. I actually doubled it because Kuya was the guy who looked for the mechanic, so Yeah. What a day! What a day! What a day! That was so crazy. Okay, but yeah, it was an experience, you know, first time that I got problems with the car, but I know that there shouldn't be any problem because this is fairly new. I just got it yesterday, you know, come on. But he said the thing was actually just loose, so he tried to tighten it, and then yeah, that was pretty much it.
Kasi kato na imong gikuanan.
So we are now in the countryside area, so the road is now very busy because we are on a highway. This is a really sharp turn. But I turned off the AC, guys, because we have a cool breeze anyway. I'm already starving. Mom's holding the camera. She's my videographer today. I'm pretty relaxed now. Actually, this is my second time driving from the city going to the countryside. So I'm pretty good. So we have finally arrived here at home, and I just finished with lunch. It's already 1 p.m. though, that's why we are pretty starving. We had a pretty interesting day today. With what happened with the battery. That was pretty crazy, to be honest. I panicked a little bit, but you know, everything's fine. There's no need to panic, Meljean. If there's a problem, there's a solution. The car is here. Ta-da! And my mom's motorbike is there as well. So guys, please comment below what will be the name of my new baby. She's gonna be a woman, so we need to name her a baby girl because she is sexy red. And Ziggy is here. Hello, Ziggy boy. We actually had to... Ziggy! Where are you going? Where are you going? We actually had to let him out of the cage because the cage is too small for him. Okay, I'm gonna give you food in a second. Okay, hold on. Alright, Ziggy, summarize. It has bones, chicken bones and stuff. Come here, Ziggy. Don't be too excited. Oh, relax. No, no, Mama. No, no. I'm gonna give you one. Hold on. Ziggy first. Look at the mom. She's just watching. Ziggy is so hungry. Why are you so hungry? That's ASMR. Ziggy ASMR. So we went to La Nueva, right? And mom got a lot of stuff for the store, and then I also got myself a few stuff because La Nueva is the cheapest supermarket grocery store. So I'm gonna give you guys a little quick haul of what are the stuff that I got. I think I paid 900 peso, which is about $18 US for the entire thing. So let's see. I got here a sliced bread, and then I have here some girly stuff, and then I have here some magic syrup all-in-one seasoning. I got here tissue, and then I have here milk, 2 packs of milk. And then I have here Chucky because this is Scarlett's favorite. I got her 3 Chucky. And then I have here some margarine. This is gonna be for my sister. And then we have here some sugar, white sugar. And then this next bag over here, the honey. So I got pure honey. And this one was, I think, 140 pesos. Remember the one I got, like this little, that cost me around 400 or 300 pesos. Like, look at the difference. It says here it's all natural, it's pure honey, so we shall see. Dishwashing liquid. I have here fabric conditioner, another fabric conditioner. I like this one actually. If you guys are from the Philippines and you use Downy as your fabric conditioner, I would highly recommend to try the pink one because it just smells so good. Like normally the one that I would use is the blue one, but this one is so nice. And then I have here some Zonrox soap for the clothes. I got 2 packs as well. And then I have here muriatic acid. I'm gonna be using this for the toilet. And then I have here Domex as well, like the multi-purpose cleaner. This is gonna be for the toilet as well. So yeah, these are the ones that I got, and that cost me $18 US. I think it's a lot. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I just finished cleaning the house. I'm pretty tired right now, so I'm gonna go take a nap. My sister is coming. I don't know what we're gonna do later on, but I was not able to sleep so good last night. That's why I'm pretty sleepy, and I woke up so early, like 6 in the morning. Anyway, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Hello everybody, it is currently 5:43 p.m. I just woke up. Oh my gosh, I slept like a baby. I slept so good. I think I slept for 3.5 hours. Wow. Anyway, I am here in the terrace right now. I'm trying to have some cup of milk. Feels like breakfast for me. So I have here a toast and some roasted chicken from this afternoon. Yeah, let's eat guys. Bon appetit, heart. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video right now, and I am going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's adventure. I'm gonna call it an adventure now. And again, please comment below what's gonna be the name of my new baby. And tomorrow we are gonna be having the car blessing after church, so I'm gonna take you guys with me as well. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please do subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.